Hello there YouTube. This is another quick video about the fan duct for the Ender 3 S1. I found this on the internet. It's a paid part, so you have to pay to download this part. What I like about this part is it has the CR Touch integrated inside of it, and the whole thing is one part, so you can just assemble everything that is on your main original one onto this, and it will be normally working. I haven't tested this yet, but I will test this as soon as I finish this video. I will assemble it. Like the other one, the hot end fan was on the right side, so when you're installing it, it was on the right side, like here. It's on the right side of the sprite extruder, but on this model it goes like the original. It goes on the left side, so your right side will be just open. The blower, the vents opening of this blower fan for the parts cooling is narrower than the original, and then this model, as you can see, it's narrower. Maybe it's more concentrated on the nozzle itself, like just underneath the nozzle. It might be better for cooling. I have to test this before I can say anything about it. But looking at the part itself, it was it's not so clean as I would like it to be. I did clean it for like a half hour, and you can still see some rough bits here and there. But the only downside of this part, as far as I can see and know, is that the printing angle and the printing manner is really bad. It's not like the other models, like this one or something. You just have to put a lot of support all over the place, like here, here there is a support, and there's here support here and here on this side. So it's a mess, to be honest. That's the only thing that would keep me to say, like, I don't recommend this model. But if you say like, oh, I can print it, no problem, then yeah, go for it. It's a neat part. As I said, I need to test this before I can make final saying about it. So, but at the moment, as far as I can see, it's great. I like the model itself, and it will be clean install when it gets installed on the sprite extruder. Just those holes for the well, the screws, they might be a little off or something. I need to check that. But yeah, that's it. I have nothing more to say about this until the next video. When the next video comes out, I will be testing it, and I will be giving you more insight information about this part and where you can download it. It's a paid download, so it costs about, I think, $1.50, $2, I don't know. If it's a good part and I test it, then I think it's worth it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, hit the thumbs down if you don't like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Bye.